If I surveyed all the good things that comes to me from above, if I could count all my blessings out of the storehouse of love, I simply ask for a favor that's beyond mortal ken, and I'm sure He would grant it again and again. I want to stroll over heaven with you some glad day, when all these troubles and heartaches have vanished away. We'll enjoy all the beauty where all things are new. I want to stroll over heaven with you. So many places of beauty I long to see here below, but time and pleasure have kept us from making plans, as you know. But come that morning of rapture, and together we'll be, and we can stroll over heaven for all eternity. We'll renew old acquaintance with the friends we once knew, and then we'll see all our loved ones, and we'll see Jesus too. Well, that will be a glad reunion, and there'll be much to view while I stroll over heaven with you. I want to stroll over heaven with you some glad day, when all these troubles and heartaches have vanished away. We'll enjoy all our beauty where all things are new. I want to stroll